Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. I'm trying to stay cool. Anyway, I'm getting ready to make some recycled taco meat spaghetti. That don't sound very appetizing, so I need a new name for it. And I'm making it all in my Presto electric skillet. Now humming sound, that's my fan I got in the kitchen. Ceiling fan. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'll be using. Okay, use up this leftover taco meat. You had Taco Tuesday on Tuesday, so I got this much meat left. I'm gonna plug in this electric skillet by Presto. They got good products. Plug it in. Okay. So this is what I'll be using. I'm using the meat. I'll put it in here. Lower this a little more. Okay, so y'all can see. Those were some good tacos, y'all. Okay. Go in the sink. I'll be adding a little more seasoning. I'll be adding, I'm not sure I'm going to use all this salsa or not. This is hot and this is medium. This hasn't been opened yet. I'll be putting the same cheese that I use for my tacos, putting this on top of it after it's done. I'm going to add a little more seasoning, the garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. I'll add some Italian seasoning, and some oregano leaves, with my basil. I want some basil because I love it. And I'll find it in a minute. And I'm going to have to add water when I add the spaghetti. Well, I got the whole grain linguine. And I'm going to use about 8 ounces because I used half of this before. Okay, that's it. So we turn this on. I'm going to turn it on to 300. It's going to be good eating. So this is basically a one-pot meal. Put this stuff in here now. I want to heat the meat up before I do anything. Okay, I feel it heating. And the meat is already seasoned, but I'm going to add just a little more. Since I'll be adding other stuff. There's no salt in this. Italian seasoning. I use a little of the oregano. Oh wow. What is my basil, y'all? I want to use it. I can't find it today. Okay, the rest of this hot salsa. Okay, somebody asked me what's the difference between salsa and picante sauce. I have no idea. I really don't know. So this has the everything in it. It's chunky. So it has the bell pepper, the onion, tomatoes, jalapenos, and stuff in it. I need a little more sauce. Always listen for the pop when you undo a top. And smell it. And nice and saucy. Use both of them. Okay, that's where the water comes in. Y'all know I get all this goodness out of here. It's going to be some good eating. Okay, now the spaghetti. Or linguine. Break it up. I learned this when I was cooking with my pressure cooker. Put the spaghetti right in there on top of the cooked meat. Okay, now we're going to cover this with liquid. We use chicken broth, beef broth. You want to cover this, the spaghetti. Don't stir the spaghetti up in there, just leave it on top. Make sure the spaghetti is submerged. If it ain't submerged, add some more liquid. Like I said, don't stir it up in here. It's gonna cook. It's gonna take about 8 minutes. Y'all know I'm extra. Okay. Top on it. And meanwhile, I'm going to try to find my basil. Move this away. So, I will be back in about 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, y'all, this has been cooking for about 7 minutes. Let's see if the spaghetti is al dente. I didn't stir it at all, just how I dropped it in there. Ouch! Stir it now. Now I'm going to stir it. See, spaghetti cooked. I did find the basil. Put it in there. But when you do this, you do need a pot with a lid. I still don't know about the spaghetti. Stand some more cooking. Turn it down to 200. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Cooked it another 3 minutes, so about 10 minutes in all. Alright. Oh my goodness. Yep. Touch it is hot. Ooh. Okay, let's do that. Turn it off. Unplug it. Okay. I'm going to show y'all how it looks before I put the cheese on top. See all that liquid? Most of it got reduced, but I like my spaghetti soupy. Just this is how it looks. Look at all that savory goodness. See them chunks of tomato, bell pepper, onion, jalapenos, garlic. And I ain't chopped up nothing. You don't have to chop up stuff when you're using chunky salsa because it's in there. Okay. Okay, let me put the cheese on top. Cheese kind of melted since it's sitting next to this heating device. You serve this with the salad if you want to, garlic bread if you want to. I'm just eating this. I do have a salad I can fix, but I just want this. And this is good eating, y'all. I'm using all the rest of this cheese. Okay, I'll put the lid back on. So the cheese can melt. And I will be back. One more second. Okay, the cheese has melted. This is my taco spaghetti. 1 pot meal. I'm gonna dip me up some. Let me put this camera up. My plate is ready. Cheese is stringing. One more. Nice, meaty, saucy, cheesy taco spaghetti. 1 pot meal. Once so the meat was already cooked, and once all the sauce and everything was added in there, it took about 10 minutes for the spaghetti noodles to get like I like them, still al dente. So I'm gonna taste it. Shoo. Get out this hot kitchen. Go in a room where I got a window air conditioning unit. Y'all be waiting for the taste test. One of my honey said she be chewing. I do that too when I watch people. Lord, this is my shepherd. I shall not want him. Okay. It's hot. Y'all see the steam. Got a kick to it from that hot salsa. This is good. Spicy taco spaghetti. I don't need to add nothing. Oh wow. I don't need no salt, no pepper, no nothing. Quick and easy and delicious. Didn't heat up my kitchen. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And when you don't see my videos, please look for them, because I don't think YouTube is pushing my videos like they used to. Okay. Bon appetit. Be blessed. Bye.